Hey, this is Trish, and for today's video I am at a different place. It's part of a little bit of a food experiment I have been doing, and I am very glad my experiment is pretty much over. I did some eating of fast food, and it was kind of my own version of Super Size Me, if you remember that movie. And what I wanted to do is that because I don't eat fast food anymore, I wanted to see how it would affect my body, what would happen, how would I feel, and the result is that fast food is disgusting. I hate the way it makes my body feel. I hate the way it makes me feel, and I won't talk too much about it right now because I am here at a public place. But if you are on the fence about fast food or whether you should stop eating it or eat it every now and then or whatever, just stop. It's gross. Don't eat fast food. It's just nasty. So anyway, I will talk more about it probably on Friday because Friday is Food and Fitness Friday. But I'm here today, my last time eating fast food. I've been eating fast food on and off for a couple of weeks now. I did it for a week straight, like 5 days, and it was horrible. The consequences were just debilitating, actually. And then I waited a week, and I've eaten fast food now today, and it's just ugh. It's terrible. So I just wanted to give you an update because I know I had promised one, and I will talk more in depth about this on Friday. So hang in there, eat real food, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye.